guys, welcome back. This is Sanskruti and I study in 8th standard. Today's topic is real interesting, so let's begin our today's video. So guys, today we are going to talk about our favorite person, our really favorite person in science. Today we are going to talk about one scientist, and the name of that scientist is the Stephen Hawking. So we all of us have heard a lot of things about Stephen Hawking, but we some of us doesn't know the reason of the death of Stephen Hawking and how he could communicate with us. We doesn't know it, and a lot of us also haven't listened some speeches of Stephen Hawking's. So let's start, and we doesn't know the experiments or lot of things which he was doing for our science, or for our world, or for our life. So that's why we should say the Stephen Hawking, because there is no one as like him. So let's start. So guys, first thing, the Stephen Hawking on uh, Stephen Hawking born on the Einstein's Stephen on borns on the birthday of Newton, and he died on the birthday of Einstein's birthday. So that's why he was a great person, and his both his happiest day for his mom dad also on the the scientist birthday, and the sad day for his family also on the scientist birthday. So on that day, we on 14th of March, we 2018, we doesn't celebrate anything. Just we were happy also, and we were sad also, because Stephen Hawking was not in us. So guys, the really reason of the death of this scientist, the Stephen Hawking, is he has one disease called ALS. So from this disease, whole body get paralyzed, and no one can just talk anything, no one can walk, or no one can eat with hands. And that's why the Stephen Hawking was travel by the wheelchair, and he talks with us as a computer, with computer. And that's why he was a digital man. And we all of us have seen him, not at in really, we have seen him in some on television, or in mobile phones, or in newspapers, or we have watched his lot of pictures. So in that, we just know one thing. We just one thing, we just notice one thing. He was sitting on the wheelchair, a digital wheelchair, which is connected with computer, and his on his cheek there's something, and it is also connected with the computer. And what he thoughts in his mind, or he can just type anything with his cheek on that computer, because the venus of his cheek doesn't get paralyzed, and that's why he can talk with us. And his brain also doesn't get uh, paralyzed, so that's why he can think big. So after that, the doctors thought that live he will live for only 2 or 3 years, but he lives more than 50 years. And that's why he was a great person. And we all of us knows that he was searching something about the universe, whole universe of this, about the stars and a lot of things. And he also have told that uh, after 2000 years, the earth get ends, or earth get blast. And we don't have to worry, because after 2000 years, our whole human beings have traveled into the space. And that's why we don't have to become afraid. He told us that. But guys, we all of us have a sadness of him, about him, that he is not in us. And we all first have some sadness, because this Stephen Hawking was a very great person, because he leaves, the doctor tells he will leave only for 2 or 3 years, and he leaves for more than 50 years. So it is only happens because his digestive system, and his hurt, or and his hurt, and the uh, the venous of his the venous of his lungs doesn't get paralyzed, and that's why he he leaves for 50 hours. So guys, this was something about Stephen Hawking, our favorite scientist, and really about the great person. And I hope he is also the idol of some of us. So if you like today's video, and if you like to watch videos like this, subscribe to our channel, and thank you guys.